It's recorded. Pending. Hello? Anybody?
It says recording has started, I
Yeah,
see.
okay, now it's starting, yes. It was pending, and after that I lose all connections. Okay, uh,
Yeah.
what we have? First of all, we can map disk like I did. I mapped disk B, for example. And disk B directly throw me to the folder of our project
Okay, hold
on
on.
dev machine.
Do you have
Yeah, I need to paste URL somewhere. uh,
I'm trying. Oh, it's been a long time since I mapped a
Properties.
drive.
Yeah, they changed it in Windows 10. I checked with Google how to map drive.
Can
Once,
you show us that quick?
yeah. First of all, I want to check the what URL again. I think I saved it for here. Let's check it here. Yeah, it's this one. And how to map. I remember.
So is that going to be
F-
different for every build, or is
no, it's folder
this what?
where our project is
Oh,
sitting on dev environment. And
okay.
let's first of all I will paste it somewhere here. Yes, chat.
Sure. That'd be great. So now if I can.
Okay, and the second step I find it here. I think. Map network drive. Where did I find it? It was very interesting. Maybe. Mm. I start typing map. Oh, and it's here.
Okay, so
I,
let
I,
me
f-
do that.
I found it this way.
Oh, there we go. I finally see it. Okay.
You still see my screen, yes?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
trying to do the
Okay,
map
yeah.
that why doesn't let me.
Really, it's
Oh, I
because.
got it. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
then we just pick a drive
Yeah.
and then plug in that
Mm-hmm.
whatever you sent.
Mm-hmm. It will ask for credentials. You will need to save credentials if you want to reconnect on next login.
And this is just our ENT credentials, right?
VADEF credentials.
Oh, our VA dev. So
You need to go here and use your VADEF and user.
VA dev. So I have to. Let's see what happens now.
Do you have disk?
Okay, I think I got it. So yeah, and then in
After
there,
all, you will have the disk and you will see directly this folder.
yep,
Y-
I'm seeing it.
Again, if you want to see the folder, you can map one folder back. Yes, like
It's okay.
where is this? You
Sure.
can fold the def4, for example, and you will see the real folder is 99000. It's for where is our application is. Or you
Okay.
can map all disk D if you want Medtronics files. It depends what you want. Really, you don't need something else on this machine. Okay, and we have here app settings. We will delete in future the development. We stop working today with this.
So we're doing app
Yeah,
settings.
or the files that you interested it's app settings. Okay,
Okay.
if you have Notepad++ or something like this, and the real one looks this way.
Hold on.
1 second. The real one will look like this. One second. 1 second. Sorry, guys.
That's okay.
I have water in my room, in one of the rooms,
Oh no.
and somebody come to fix it. Okay. You need only to change for positive the ACK URL and DEC URL to our mock URLs. Okay. I will give you again the real URLs I'm comment usually.
So what I'm seeing right now is like
We
what
have
you should.
ACK URL and DEL URL. If you want to go to Health and Go, we're going here. If we go these URLs because it's
Yep.
Health and Go. If we want mock Postman or in future it will be service of Davidson, he will create it. I only replace the real values. Okay, I put underscores here and put ACK URL and DEC URL. I can also put it in the chat or somewhere that you
Well,
can
I
save.
see it. I'm looking because I mapped the drive and I can see that those 4 are in there right now. So we just have to put the underscore under the other 2 and take them off the second 2.
After every deploy, it will be removed. Okay.
Oh, so you haven't deployed.
Yeah, no, this it was here, but when Jim creates script, this file is generated on deploy. Most of these values is sitting in the deployment server, not in our
So
config. Yeah, and
so
he removed
so
everything.
so we aren't going to this file that you had us map to?
Yeah, you open the file and all you can do, you can the original will look this way without
Because it
underscores.
so so you said
All you need to do is paste this 4 rows, for example. Okay.
so so right now what's there, you're saying that's going to change. I thought this was
Yeah, every
deployed.
deployment it will be changed. Yes.
So you haven't deployed?
No. I don't think we will deploy very often, but in first steps we will see many bugs. Like today, I see many bugs in other server. When you run on your machine, it's your bugs. When you go to to another machine, it's a different environment. It
Right.
happens sometimes errors, and I was need to fix all errors on the dev environment. And
But
maybe we will redeploy sometimes. And every redeployment will create this file from the scratch. And
because it looks just like you have there now with those 4 in there.
yeah, I put it there here. Okay, I have it. I have my config on my machine, and it looks exactly like.
That's what looks like for the one that you had us map to.
All you need to do, take these 4 lines and go to the file and replace these 2 lines
But see, I
with.
don't see those 2 lines. I see 4 lines.
Yeah, because I changed it before.
So you're saying in the future
I,
this.
Before I called you, I enter and I tried it. I tried and I see the logs. If everything
Oh, so
okay,
you
I
put the
already changed it before. Yes,
you already put the 4 in
yes,
there.
yes. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
The original looks like 2 lines here without
Okay.
underscores.
So I'll need to save these. Okay.
Okay. For example, I'm saving the file. Control S. Why it's not saving? Ah, it's
Oh,
saved.
baby.
No,
Okay.
it's saved. It's saved. It's saved. It's red. Oh, oi, 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 oi. Cancel. Cancel. What happens? Oi, oi. I pressed something. Pressed many times. Okay. Yeah, it's red or blue. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, after I'm saving, the second action then we need to do to do IS reset. Do you know how to use RDP? Remote desktop.
I've used it before. I'll have to make a.
Okay, let's set up this also together from the scratch. Maybe I will find the easiest way because it's really must be easiest way to do with this.
Oh, so
Let's
remote desktop connection, I can just.
well, 1 second. Let me try. Maybe we will try to make it easier. Where's IP? I need IP of this computer. Maybe we can manage IIS from your management. It's maybe will be faster. Maybe not. Let's try from here. Services. Uh, not so fast. Okay. While it's syncing, we will set up RDP.
Because I've
Oh,
got the remote desktop connection
yeah.
thing up.
Open remote desktop. Okay, and show options. Put the IP. Put the credentials.
Hold on. I want to mark some.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 172.19.2.216.
19. Mm-hmm.
And then it's our credentials, okay, right?
VADEF
Yep.
credentials. After it's on the first connect, it can first of all you can make save as and save it this way. Like I saved on desktop, and you will be have only to click here next time.
So you just did a save, you said? Or
Save or
save
save
as?
as, I don't remember. Save as, and you can put,
Yeah. Let's find where did I
you can also put
desktop? Yeah.
more descriptive name here, like dev server,
Sure.
dev web server. Okay, and next time you will open only this, and it will be connecting automatically. It will ask the password even I saved it.
Let me see now if I get this.
It can be you can't access it. I think you will have the error for this one because we
Your
have the error.
credentials don't work.
You use VADEF.
I thought it didn't.
You need to put VADEF
So
backslash.
so now let me delete this and start over.
You can always edit here.
Yeah.
After you have this, you need to press edit to get here again.
So computer was 172.2. No, 19. 2.6. I had VA dev / M Haynes.
It's not exactly your login, yes?
It's not letting. So
what
let's try. Let's
what
do
does
a
it say?
connect. Connect. Let's do B, E.
Okay, 1 second. Maybe the second.
But see, it's when I go to connect, it has ENT/Hain M5. How come?
1 second. I check the second. The more easiest ways that I think it's works very slow, but maybe it's will more.
Okay,
more
so
the, you can connect or you
I
can't connect.
cannot. But the problem is when I go to say connect,
Нету ключа, Яша? Я на митинге, не могу. Алло?
Yep, I'm still here.
Yeah, it's my kids returning. Okay,
So
you can connect. What
do you want me to share and I'll show you what's happening?
Yeah. I need to stop sharing. Stop sharing. Okay. Can you share?
Okay, you see?
Yes. Okay, it's okay. You press connect. What happens after this? Remote. Don't ask me again. It's okay.
See, this says ENT.
Yeah. More choices. More choices. You need to press
more choices.
Use a different account.
There we go. That's what I needed.
It's do not vote again. It's a security certificate that it's local computer. It's okay. You don't need to care about the certificate. Or next step. It can fail on next step. Oh no. Oh, I think you're in.
Yeah.
I think yes. He creates a new user.
Still thinking.
Yeah, because he creates the user if on first time. Yeah, nice.
Okay, so
Now you can close this big white window. The easiest way that I use, I open command prompt. CMD as administrator only, yeah? Right click as administrator. Yes. And here I put IIS reset. IIS.
Space reset?
No, without space. Reset. Enter. You need to wait, it's stopping, and after that's starting, and that's it. Our config that you changed now working.
Okay.
And let's check if it's working. I return to my screen.
Yes. Oh, so I have to stop sharing.
No, I don't think you need to stop. I already shared. Okay. Another way it's without. I see it's working very slow, but you can do it from your computer without RDP. Okay, but for now it's slow. I don't know if it's only for my computer. If you have remote desktop, it's better. Okay, how we check? Let's remove everything from table of logs, for example, and I will run the push.
So you removed everything from the dev4 folder?
Yes.
Ooh.
You need it? It's
Well,
only, again, it's only logs. We will create a log.
I'm not gonna delete because I
1 second.
feel
You want to see only
nervous.
info. As we said, you want to see only info. Okay? You see, you go and you see, but you don't see if it's finished or no. For now, in logs, you can go to other table to check by hash. Do you have hash here in URLs?
Mm,
No.
Well, the hash should be in the body of the request body for the one below the ACK there.
Interesting why it's not here. Yeah, it must be
Well,
here.
because the
Yeah.
delete, the ACK post would have the
Okay.
hash. Okay,
I will check this 1 second. If I remove the info, I want to see all the logs. Here for sure we have hash somewhere. It's fuck. I don't remember. Yeah, serial
There's the
number and
hash. Yep.
data hash. Okay, I take the hash now. First of all, I see if I see the ACK response okay. Yes, and delete response okay in debug. In info you
Okay.
don't see it. You need to take hash. I will check why it's this is serial number. Okay, and data hash I send inside. Okay.
Right there's the hash next to the serial number. Yeah.
Yeah, the problem if you don't want to see, you want to see only info, you have no hash here.
That's okay because we know it's going to be in the request body.
You have it here. Okay, for me it's dynamic. It's
So, well,
ah
it's in the request body also of that first log.
yeah, for me it's random. Okay,
Well, I know, but it'll be
here is a hash. Yes, it looks like this.
because we
Uh,
need to make sure when we do
yeah, you need
for
specific. Yes.
262, it has to be the same.
Mhm. And 1 second. I want to check if the hash the same that I see. Yes. And after that you can go to this table and see where the hash is specific hash. And see what update, delete update not happened yet.
No, because we have to,
Yeah,
we would have to push that again,
you
right?
need to go to not random, you need to go to regular data push,
But it won't fill that
need
out, and
to
you have to have the
hash
same.
and RSS2
Yeah.
and send and logs. No logs. Let's see from here. Delete update. I get it. Okay.
Yep. Uh-huh.
And if we go to the logs, uh, where's the logs? 1 second. We have nothing for this.
There should be a post for it.
Delete response. Okay. Scheduling receive return. 1 second. We take all the logs from here. Desk. It must be delete date updated true. Okay. For debug, you will have in info.
But there's supposed to be um something in there from the e-device data push controller with the post, the whole post. Why are we not seeing those?
Let me check.
Oh, you've got DevBox in there. We don't want it from DevBox.
What you see DevBox? Where is the DevBox?
Oh, no. Yeah.
No, it's not DevBox. It's only this server.
Oh, okay. So where's the post body that happened on the initial push and the second push?
I don't know. Let's go one by one. By time, for
See,
example.
before,
It's here? The first response was 22.4.7. It's all this. It's
right,
oh,
but where's the first response? I'm not seeing body at all anywhere that's
The
missing
first
count.
response was here, okay?
But those are debugged. There used to be one that had the
You see,
the
you want
whole
to see?
pulse body. Where did that go?
I think we removed everything. Yes.
No, we left we needed that first one
Okay.
that had the
First of
pulse.
all, we
Not,
can
let
go
me,
to controller and see.
let's
We will go
go.
to controller and we'll see.
I want to look
Here
at,
is it. Request body. Yes, it must be here.
yeah,
It's information.
that's the one I'm not seeing. Why am I not seeing that
Okay, one
one?
second. The first request.
Oh, there's request body. Okay.
This is the second one with RSS2. Okay.
Okay. And so there should be another one just like
Another
that for
one here.
RSS1.
Maybe I delete everything. Receiver return. One second. It's only question.
Oh, sure. You have a number on there. I see. That's what did it. Okay. That makes
Okay.
sense.
Okay. It was here. Request
There.
body and RSS. Yeah. Again, if you have no debug, if you have only info, it will be pretty short. You have application. It's not mine. From
So
here,
the request
request
body. Yep.
body, post body, delete URL, and it's the second one already.
Yep. And then
Request body, post.
the
It's no, it don't need to happen here. I will check it. It's maybe our bug.
so it's like it happened twice.
Maybe it's send
Weird.
I can delete because we have no logic for this really. Let me check. I checked. Yeah, I'm not checking what happens because I need to talk with David because he put some logic here inside. All logic about RSS1 or RSS2. We need to, yeah. It's anyway. It's I can delete, but it's don't need. It's need only. He makes the function that calls process data push, and he make most of the logic inside. And maybe he need to add some logs inside.
So right now,
I think it's push success. It's only this function return okay only in case is if it's saved. But he always return push success even it was only deleted. He makes the deletion. We have logic. We need to decide
okay,
where to push it. It's
we'll
our
look at it and figure out which
okay. Yeah.
story might have a problem.
For now, you found the bug. Yes, it's a bug.
Okay, so
Because we don't need to schedule acknowledge and
well, we'll
here.
do some testing and then we'll
Okay,
see which story.
Let's check. You can do it alone. Go to the config. Share. Can you share the screen?
Oh, you want me to share? Okay.
Yeah. I want you after this test. You want to return to the normal mode. Yes.
Well, we want to leave it as this for until we're done testing, and we will probably
Because you don't know when deploy happens.
we'll check it every time before we go
Before you
look.
want to test something specific, yeah, you need to. Maybe we will. Yeah, if I make some deployment, I will
Well,
put in the chat, main chat.
yeah, we can't.
If you starting to test something, you need also to put something in the chat.
Yeah, because if we're gonna start to do a test run, we won't want to deploy until we're done with our test run.
And you can open the first bug.
I have to figure out how to do that now again. 'Cause I haven't done it yet. Okay, so
First of all, yeah, disk B or what you mapped.
so I need to.
No. Okay. You need to click something because sometimes it's closing. If you're not using remote machine, it
It
can
might disconnect, yeah.
disconnecting. Yes.
Where did that go? There it is. And so we would go into here. Oh man, it's slow.
It's your computer. Ah, no, it's
Yep,
not. No, it's not your computer. It's mapping. Sorry.
that's okay.
You guys, everybody works from home, yes?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
And so then it's still this
Yeah, you
way.
okay. Now, for example, you want to disable it and check the negative case. Put underscore, remove
No,
underscore here. And,
why can't we leave it this way even
no,
for
no,
the
no, no.
negative?
I want you go through all the cycles that
I,
we.
I just have a question though.
Yeah.
The negative cases would still work even if this is set.
No, we want, for example, you don't want to change the dates will be changed. The del delete date and duck date. You don't want to emulate the server. You want to get the not found, for example.
You won't get a not found if we send something while this is going. Are you sure? Let
One
me.
second. The real situation for today, we need to get the del.
Well, I
Yes,
want.
we need to get the not found because we have no real data.
Right, but won't that work with it set this way? Let me bring up my Postman.
Mm-hmm.
So you're saying if I do this one right now, it's not gonna work?
First of all, I don't see. No, it will work again, but it's I don't know. Ah, it's broken XML. Yes.
So
No.
if we
Yeah.
send that, that should work like
Yeah.
expected.
It's
So
work. Yeah.
everything should be
I
fine.
I'm talking about the negative case in case that ACK and delete didn't work.
You you
There
mean
is
that server is down or what?
Yeah, not in down. What we tested here, if we go again and open these logs first, why we tested that the delete was update happens and DAG was happens. But in case you want to check the real situation when delete and DAG don't need to go to get here, you need to disable this mock servers.
trying to think if we have something for
You
that.
you have case where you need to check these dates, yes?
Well,
Active
yeah,
date
but
and delete date.
the
Or
dates.
this is for this you can remove act date. For this you need to remove delete date. You have two URLs, act URL and delete URL in config. If you want to change this happens, or this happens.
Hold on, you're not sharing. Do you want me to?
Sorry.
That's okay. You're
Uh,
helping us out, don't worry.
uh, share.
Oh, do I need to stop
No.
sharing?
You see my screen now?
Yep.
Yeah, in database you have act date and delete date, and you have in some stories to check if act date was updated, if delete date was updated.
Yes.
But in real life, you want to check if server is not available. For example, it must be empty, and this must be empty, and this must be empty. Yes.
Hmm.
To play with this, you need to put the real addresses and
Sure, and then we, right.
yes.
But
Okay.
if we, now that last one though, that'll work whether or not.
Doesn't matter how do you,
Um,
that doesn't matter how you want to play. I want you to know how to reset the server, the change and to make IS reset.
right.
The-
So
Do you
share,
mean
share your screen again, please.
Sure.
And
You mean like if we set it to the real URL to a device and send an acknowledgement, the date should not be populated because we don't have a real connection. Is this what you are expecting for negative scenario?
yeah. When we sending to real URL and real URL responds with 404, is that say he don't have this data to delete. It's real working model. Yes, and we need to test the real cases is working, and real cases for now it's 404.
Okay, so let me go back to here.
Notepad++,
So,
yes.
so I would have to,
Put here underscore,
yep, and then take
and
them out of the
next one.
next one, yep, and then
Uh,
take it out of here.
mm-hmm. Control S, like save,
Yep,
and
and then
IIS
we
reset.
have to do this.
Yes, you can put up button. You don't know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a long time, but yeah.
You don't need to type again. You need
Yep.
to. That's it. For now, you can
Okay.
let me. Okay, I will share my screen again to run it quickly. Where here? Okay. Now we want to see. Let's remove everything from here again, and we will run the regular push, random push, and we won't see not found 404 and dates not updated.
Yeah, the dates won't get updated for the ACK and the delete.
Mm-hmm. You see, for me, it's very important to see here not found, and not error, because it can happen. For example, if you broke the URL, you can go to config and remove HTTPS, for example, from URL. It must be error, and and I'm pretty sure we didn't. I didn't check it in code. I let's try. Let's try. It's interesting case, and I must check it. uh, oops. App settings, notepad, file has defined. Do you want to reload? Yes. Okay. For example, I will go and broke the here. Must be exception. Control S. Do you have IIS reset open?
Yeah, hold on. I gotta move this out of the way. Yes, I do.
Please do IIS reset.
Okay, I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, it's restarted.
Mm-hmm. Clean, and now it must fail. I don't remember where I removed delete or ACK. ACK. Okay. Okay. Oh, response 0. It's for me. It's error, and I didn't check it, and I didn't put its error. Okay, it's for me. Let me note it somewhere. Okay, it's for me. Only. But
But
what
that's
I'm
in,
waiting for, I need to throw here error that I can't connect to the servers. Something bad with URL, and I didn't.
but we're not testing the config file settings.
Yeah. You're not testing the config files, but it can happen. It can happen
Right.
not only when config is not good. It can be even their servers is not running. Okay, for in case their server down, we need to
If their
check.
server is down, you won't get a response back, and that's where that retry comes in, right?
Or and I need to check what I I will get some error here, but it's some it depends what you call error. Okay,
Yeah.
the response code will be zero, Elsa, and let's say for me, and I need to say it's error, and server is not answering. It's my part
Sure.
of code must to do it.
Yep.
Okay, for now you okay? Yes, we have
Yep.
again. We
So we
have
gotta
mapping
put that, we gotta put that,
to disk. I don't remember what you mapped. I have mapped it like B. You change up setting, you make IS reset, and that's it.
yeah, so we need to put it back
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
Can we set it to the mock server?
yeah. What next step we need to do after I press
And
Ctrl S?
then I need to restart.
Oh, you're okay. You're good.
Did you save it?
Yes.
Okay,
Ah,
I'm
it's
hitting it then.
mhm. If you're hitting, I can run
It's
another
still
random.
going. Okay, it's the restarted.
Okay, I already got response. And let's see what we have here. It's everything okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys.
Yeah,
Happy
thank
birthday
you so
again.
much. All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.
And then can you send us, oh, will we have this recording somewhere?
I will check.
Just in case?
I don't know where it's. I will try to find it. Yes.
Okay, thank you so
I
much.
press.
Thank you, Alex. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks,
bye bye.
Alex.
Have a good night.
Bye.
Day.
You too.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.